Hello, my friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. So today, I'm going to show you the robot work on real account. Is the today profit is $8, and the last week look the profit is $205, and the deposit $100. Withdrawal is $83. Let me show the last month is the deposit $280 and the profit is $758. Okay, and the withdrawal is $715. Okay, and this now balance is running $323. So if you're interested in buying in this robot for only boom and crash, only boom and crash, only boom and crash, this is only boom and crash robot. Okay, so if you want to buy, simply check the description link and send me the message, and we will also demo available if you want to test the robot. It's a demo version also available here. Test and make sure you are buying a good thing. Okay, thanks for